So here we are at the shop. I'm getting ready to shoot this 69 Wagoneer. There is a lot of real estate on this thing. I can't tell you how much real estate there is, but it is everything that is going on with this vehicle. I mean, we're doing complete jams. I always say me. I'm doing complete jams. Yeah. Yesterday, the tailgate, there was a few issues I had to fix on that before I could go any further. It's getting there. It's actually ready to put the sealer coat on it, but it's going to take quite a bit of prep with the cleaner and in and out of all the jams. But hopefully this thing will be shot by Tuesday, I'm guessing. We'll see what happens. But there it is, 69 Wagoneer. No, I just don't do stuff at home in the driveway. That's Sunday Fun Day. That's my stuff. It's kind of like the shoemaker's kids that don't get to come to the shop that often. The Pontiac in 3 years has been here probably 5 times. Station wagon's been here once. So if you follow me on YouTube, these are the videos that I post. And yeah, I've got tons of stuff going on here at the shop. I actually do have a shop. So, but yeah, here it is, the Wagoneer in all its glory, getting ready to get its color on. So I'll walk you around it one more time here. This thing's been taking a while to get ready. The body lines on this thing are just ridiculous. So if you, you know, look, even just here at the side, there are so many different body lines going on. It is just a nightmare. And then we have the whole inside too, so. But anyway, there it is. I'll post more of this, I suppose, once it's painted next week. And then, I don't know, you guys have a good weekend. We'll talk to you later. Hopefully I'll have a video tomorrow for a little Sunday Fun Day. But yeah, there you go, 69 Wagoneer. See you guys. All right, here we go. The 69 Wagoneer has been sealed. So, yeah. There's a lot of real estate on this thing, man. Okay, next step, paint. Hopefully no problems. It's kind of hot today, so I'm going to use some medium reducer on this thing, and hopefully she lays out okay. So, but I'll continue on. Talk to you in a minute.